What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's Masters Week, the return of Tiger Woods. So I'm pretty excited about this. I was looking at tickets today, seeing what it would cost to fly down there and watch on Sunday. Turns out a little bit more than I'm looking to spend, so I'm going to watch it from home. But I am going to recreate a Masters staple, the Pimento cheese sandwich. They sell it for $1.50. I'm going to make it for just slightly cheaper than that, so it's pretty cool. They've kept costs down, but it takes about 10-15 minutes. Really simple recipe to make, so let's get right into it. Now for the ingredients. Got to start with room temperature cream cheese, 8 ounces of that. 2 jars diced pimentos. These, you got to drain them out. I'm going to do a little bit of microplaned onion. You want to get this as small as possible. Mayonnaise, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, salt and pepper. And then we got Monterey Jack, 2 cups of that, and 4 cups of cheddar cheese. Now use the smallest, not the large one, the smaller one on here, because you want these fine. You want it to become a spread, so you got to make them real thick. Boom, in with the cream cheese. Okay, now dump all your seasonings on top of that cream cheese and just start working it in. This is going to get moved around with the cheese, so I like to incorporate the seasonings first into the cream cheese. Okay, so now I've stirred in all the seasonings into the cream cheese, which is the base for the pimento cheese sandwiches. I like to incorporate into that because then everything else kind of runs through it so that you get all the seasonings in every bite. When you're working with these sort of ingredients, if you season it kind of afterwards, you run the risk of it getting clumped up in one section. So the next thing we're going to do is microplane about 2 tablespoons of onion into here. Mixed in with the mayonnaise, cup of mayonnaise. We're going to stir that all together. It's not looking so appetizing just yet, but wait till we put the cheese in. It'll look much better. Okay, so now we're doing our drained pimentos. Those are all going in. Just keep on stirring. 4 cups of cheddar and 2 cups of the Jack cheese, Monterey Jack. Going in with those. And we're pretty close to being done here. Just gotta stir these up. And get your white bread. That's all you need. Okay, just lay it on. Don't do too thick of a layer. Your other piece of bread. And put those two together. Look at that. That was very good. Got a little bit of onion, the multiple different cheeses, the pimento, that sharp cheddar. It all really works well. It's easy. And it's actually pretty good. It's versatile. Sometimes I'll put like some pulled chicken in there. Like I'll smoke a chicken, add some pulled chicken to it. Makes it really good. So definitely give it a shot. Watch the Masters this weekend. Go Tiger Woods.